In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search your Google Chrome browsing history by a specific date. Sometimes, you may remember what you were browsing but need to pinpoint exactly when it was. Don't worry, I am here to guide you through it. First, let's ensure your Google Chrome is open on your device. Once it's up and running, you need to navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you will find the three vertical dots, also known as the More menu. Click on it to reveal a drop-down list. From there, select the History option. This will take you to a new page where you can view your browsing history. Alternatively, if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can get to the History section even quicker. Simply hold down Control and press H on your keyboard, and voila, you'll find yourself on the same page in no time. Now you're on the History page, but let's narrow this down by date. On your History page, you'll find a search bar at the top. Unfortunately, Chrome doesn't provide a built-in feature to filter by date directly. However, we can use a clever little trick for this. Type in a specific word or phrase that you recall from the website into the search bar. Once you've entered your search term, hit Enter. Now, here's where Google's magic truly begins. You should see a list of websites that match your search term, displayed chronologically. In this list, each result should be prefaced with the date you visited the page. Scroll through the results to find the specific date you have in mind. If you've visited many pages with the same search term, consider refining your search. You might add additional words to the search bar to minimize the results, bringing you closer to the exact date and page you're looking for. Remember, accuracy is key. If you're not satisfied with the results, it's worth tweaking your search terms to discover just what you need. Keep in mind that your Google account can also be a good backup. If you're logged into your Google account while browsing, Google keeps a history that can sometimes be easier to navigate for specific timeframes than the browser itself. In conclusion, whether through refining your search terms or utilizing shortcuts to speed up the process, accessing your browsing history from a specific date can be a straightforward task with these tools. It just boils down to finessing your search until you strike the right information. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to search your Google Chrome history by a specific date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tricks and tech guides.